All right. Uh, this is a kind of an advanced planetary interaction video. My intent, what I'm thinking here is I want to adjust my production to maximize it. And what I've been doing is just adding, I just upgraded to level 6. And I've got a bunch of power I can use to get more extractors. And that's what I've been doing on most of my planets, especially I'm making silicon on a couple of my on four of my colonies across my clients are making silicon, and I had fun doing that for the last 2 hours while I was watching The Expanse, and here I am thinking of doing the same with the robotics facility here. But unlike I was dicking around with this one, and what I did was, of course, upgrade it to 6, and then just boosted. See, I've got lots of heavy metals in here. They're toxic metals made from heavy metals. And I'm like, okay, so I've got a bit of a surplus. So I think I added one more for the heavy metals, and then maxed out on my non-CS crystals, right? So I'm like, great, okay, so let's get that started. Let's get that pumping out. I've got lots of mechanical parts left. This is great, but I just want to speed it up. So I'm like, okay, I'll just, add more. But the problem is, I think I'm going to glut up my storage silo. And that's what I'm thinking now. I had fun with the silicon, but all the silicon is just, just goes in here and makes the silicon. And then I pump it out. But this is a bit more tricky. If I boost my production and I start glutting up my silos, then what we're going to have is an issue where, then I'm just going to max it out, and that's not going to be good. So I'm here staring at this, and I've got surplus of both. So I'm like, this is weird. I've never actually encountered this situation before where I'm not just sticking around with mining extractors. I'm actually in a situation where I'm going to have to build more than 2 basic industries for each. And that's a new concept for me. Not used to that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I believe I can build, well, if I've got a surplus, right? And it's only 100, right? And I'll need to add one more. So what I'll do is just add extractor. So add one more to this. 59. Yeah. Lowered the darkness on one of my clients just to deal with the lava. But yeah, it kind of helped. But I was just basically, it didn't really work, so I was just feeling in the dark, just going for the highest number I could get and going from there. 55, 55, 56, 57. Alright. So yeah, start the extraction there. Lots to spare. Probably want to add just a bit more. Just for, yeah. Add one more. So that's 53. 57. I don't think that'll be 53. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so there we go. I'm happy with that. Is that a bit... nah, I'm not going to get better. Okay, so... Alright, so... I think I balanced it out, and I've got more than enough heavy metals. Oh yeah, more than enough. We're doing great. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is just, let's do it right now. Let's submit this first. I hate when that does that. For some reason, sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. It's so bizarre. Right, so stop extraction. 1, 2. There. There. And start extraction. There we go. Okay. Submit. And there. That holds. Okay, so I am going to build, hopefully, let's try an advanced. There we go. Now notice I'm just really far away across the universe, and I'm being able to adjust things, and this is normal. I'm not sure if everybody understands this, but yeah, you just do it anywhere. It's awesome. You don't have to be in the same system. I'm sure that's 101, so I don't really need to say that. Alright, so robotics, we'll install that. Routed it to there. Create route. And I need to transfer mechanical parts, consumer electronics. Yeah. Create route. Here. Route. And then mechanical parts. Right. Mechanical parts, create route. To there. Create route. That should do it. So, what are we looking at? We've got not a lot, so consumer electronics. Did I just do something wrong? I think I did. Yeah, it's not. I'm thinking the wrong thing. That's serial structure. Okay, wait. Oh, right. Got it. We need one of those. Got it, got it, got it. And that's how it's screwing up. Alright. So, advanced and what? Serial structures? What is this? Advanced, yeah. Okay. So, here you go. Great link. Yeah, that was a screw up on my part. Hopefully that's, I was seeing the surplus, and I wasn't thinking of what the actual heck I'm looking for, which is consumer electronics. I think that's what my intuition was telling me, and I'm like, oh, need to fix that. So, not robotics. We need miniature electronics, right? No, consumer electronics. There we go. And create link to here. I think. Pretty sure. No. No. There. Create route. And where is our route? Where is our route anyways? Will it show it? Consumer electronics incoming. Uh-oh. Hmm. Outgoing to where? So that's the launch pad. Okay. No, let's try that. Let's try making it to here. And just confirm that it goes to there. Create route. All right. So I need heavy metals. Alright, it's not basic. God. Alright, toxic metals. Create route. Figure out. And then I need serial structures. Yes, create route. Alright. So these take in heavy metals. And these take in non-CS crystals. They both go to here. I route them to each one. They route back the output. And this sucker gets routed to here. Okay. And then we've got an input of routes. We're getting outgoing mechanical parts to here, which I import from my other colonies. Oh, God. Okay, so by adding a second advanced doing the consumer electronics, hopefully I'll speed up this process, because if I just add basics, I'm just going to glut up my silo with basic shit, and that's just going to be not good at all. Got pretty much equal. So I probably added 2 there, add 1 here. Alright, start extraction. Okay, so can I build 2 more? I doubt it. Yeah, no. What can I do? Let me show you that. We got 60. And okay, so I need to make more of those. So yeah, definitely I'll just make another. Don't think I can. No. Alright. put it here. And there we go. Can I build anything else? I don't think so. Yeah, no. And nope. Okay. That'd be there. Yeah, that'll be great if this actually works out. I'll do a follow-up video. But yeah, oh yeah, get a visual on these. I don't really ever pay attention to the units extracted, average per hour, or total. Don't really quite understand it. I just kind of eyeball it. It looks the same. But yeah, that's always deceiving. When I first started doing this a little while ago, I tried to keep it equal, but it just seemed to get away on me. So I could have been a newbie back then, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Feeling very confident about what I'm doing. Yeah, I could move it elsewhere for better, for more. But we'll do that at some other point. I'm pretty good at doing that. We've got enough power to adjust. It's just, yeah. Let's stick with this for now, and hopefully we see some better numbers out of this. That'd be great. Yeah. And this is 4. Go to 3. Now 3s. Is this 3? There we go. All right. Go to 3. Where are we? There we are. So, actually, I do have 2 here. Huh. Fascinating. And I think on this, I pumped up the non-CS a lot. So, we shall see what happens. Now we have 2 of them, and I think Seneche has the others. Yeah.
Connecting.
Yeah. Start up the end of the video.